Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. This is Sukrunde, a traditional Goan sweet that brings warmth and simplicity together. Soft on the outside, rich with coconut, jaggery and chana dal inside. If you love Goan sweets, you'll want to try this. And yes, it's as comforting as it looks. Wash half cup of chana dal with plain water 3 to 4 times. Then soak the chana dal in water overnight. In the morning, drain the water and transfer the chana dal into the pressure cooker. Add water until the level of the water reaches just above the chana dal or add water as required. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Cover the pressure cooker with the lid and place the pressure cooker on medium flame and cook until 4 whistles come. Then let the pressure cooker cool. The chana dal are cooked well. Place a pan on medium flame, transfer only the chana dal into it. Add half cup of chopped sugarcane jaggery, mix well. Add a pinch of salt and mix. Once the jaggery melts, add less than half cup of grated coconut. Add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well. Mix and cook until the mixture dries. Once the mixture dries, transfer the mixture into a plate and let it cool. To make the coating, in a bowl add half cup of rice flour, half tablespoon of gram flour, little turmeric powder, a pinch of salt. Mix well. Add water as required and mix. The water has to be added gradually and mixed. I added half cup plus less than 2 tablespoons of water. The batter should be neither too thick nor too thin. Take portions of the prepared mixture and shape into round balls. If you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Heat oil in a pan. Put the sukrundes with the prepared batter and deep fry. Once you place the sukrundes in oil, do not move them. Once the bubbles start becoming less, you may move the sukrundes to fry properly. Do not overcrowd the pan. If you have never heard of sukrundes before, then let me tell you, sukrundes are soft and absolutely delicious. Sukrundes are now ready. They are soft and rich with flavor. Eat them when they are slightly warm. That's when they are their best. If you love soft traditional sweets, You'll love this one. See you all in my next video. Until then, happy cooking and thanks for watching.